Hey, thank you for joining us. I'm here with Brian Weber of Weber Automotive.
Hello, Randy.
And it's been a while. We haven't seen each other.
It has been a while, yeah.
Well, and speaking of time, it's kind of funny because this is, we're talking about car repairs. And how long should the typical car repair take? Now, depends what's getting repaired, right? I mean, but are there sort of guidelines for things?
You know, our challenges as of the last few years, you know, this is supply chain issues and so forth.
Yeah.
That's complicated things. So it used to be, you know, a repair might take 5 minutes, 10 minutes, same day, typically a lot of times. But now there is issues where, well, that part is back ordered.
It's 3 weeks out.
Yeah, and there's cars sitting in dealerships now for months.
Oh my gosh.
That had like a body repair. Yeah. They can't get the parts to finish the car. So, but most of the stuff we do, because we're not pigeonholed into, you have to get the parts from the manufacturer of the vehicle.
Right.
We can get them from anywhere.
Okay.
So if we find something that we can't get it from the manufacturer, we can't get it from anywhere else, we can always say, all right, well, we have used. Can we get a used one just to get this car back in service? Okay. We can pull from anywhere we can get it from, just,
That's great.
Obviously at the customer's discretion if they want to do it.
Sure.
We don't have that problem typically. Most car repairs take us about a day.
Okay. That's good. And that's you know, I think what folks expect, but you know, that is interesting. I mean, the supply, and that's bumped everything that, you know, we deal with and buy today, but certainly you got to have your car, man. I mean, you just can't not have a car. So
yeah, and thankfully we have a fleet of loaner cars that are free to use.
Oh, that's great. Cool.
So if somebody's in and the car gets tied up, or it's going to take a few days to get a part or whatever, we just, as long as you have your own insurance and have a good driver's license, we give you a car.
Well, that's great. Then you know what? Doesn't matter what kind of repair your car makes and whether or not the part is there, you're going to have a set of wheels. So
we'll get you going.
If you head to Weber. And right now, if you want to find out a little more, head to the Weber website at weberautomotive.com and check them out and see some more. We do some other videos about a lot of car facts. I learn a lot every time I sit down with this guy.
Good stuff. Thanks, Randy. Thanks.
Take care. Thanks for watching.